Hello guys, I went to a customer today for a shower valve replacement. As you can see, he had a two handle. He wanted to have a single handle one, but I didn't have any access to the back of that shower to open the wall. Instead, I had to do a Reno plate. I opened the wall, I cut the old valve out and put the new one in, and I solder everything, turn on the water, and I had no leaks. When I finish, I put the trim back together. Everything looks really nice. The customer was really happy.